In the realm of Norse mythology, the origins of the universe are as enigmatic as they are fascinating, rooted in the chilling void of Ginnungagap, a primeval abyss described in ancient texts. From this nothingness emerged the frost giant Ymir, a being of immense proportions and pivotal importance. Ymir's story is not just a tale of creation. It is a profound narrative that underpins the very fabric of our world as perceived through the eyes of the Norse. According to legend, Ymir was formed from the meeting of fire and ice, the elemental forces of Muspelheim and Niflheim, the primordial realms of fire and mist, respectively. As the ice met the fiery breath, it melted and gave rise to Ymir, the progenitor of the frost giants, known in the sagas as the Jotnar. His body was the first life in this nascent universe, and from it the giants were born, sprawling across the cosmos with their untamed spirit. Yet Ymir's significance extends beyond lineage. His very existence was the catalyst for the world's creation. As the myth unfolds, Odin, along with his brothers Vili and Ve, descendants of the Aesir gods, found themselves in conflict with Ymir. In a titanic struggle that echoed across the heavens, they slew the primordial giant, an act both violent and transformative. Ymir's colossal body then became the building blocks of the world. His flesh formed the earth, while his blood became the seas that encircled it. His bones were raised into mountains, creating the mighty ranges that stood sentinel over the lands. In a captivating twist, Ymir's skull was lifted high, becoming the dome of the sky, which is dotted with stars fashioned from the embers of Muspelheim. His brain was cast into the air, forming the clouds that drift across this celestial expanse. Through this act, the world as known to the Norse came into being, a harmonious blend of natural elements and divine orchestration narrated through the lens of myth. The creation of humanity also finds its roots in this mythic narrative. In the aftermath of Ymir's demise, 2 trees were discovered on the newly formed earth. From these, Odin and his brothers crafted the first human beings, Ask and Embla, endowing them with life, intelligence, and senses. Thus, humankind emerged from the same creative force that sprung from Ymir's body, a reminder of our connection to the divine and the natural world. In conclusion, Ymir's story is a profound reminder of the Norse worldview, where creation is born out of chaos and conflict. It illustrates the cyclical pattern of death and rebirth, where life emerges anew from destruction. Through his death, Ymir became the foundation of existence, bridging the gap between the chaotic beginnings of the universe and the ordered world inhabited by gods and men. This tale, steeped in symbolism, continues to inspire and intrigue, reflecting the Norse understanding of life's intricate dance between creation and destruction. As we ponder the mythology of Ymir, we gain insight into the timeless quest to understand our place in the universe, a narrative as old as time itself.